Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. There is something common between us. Let me tell you what it is. We both want to stand out from the crowd. We want to do something big in life. We don't want to fall into this 9 to 6 kind of a routine. We want to make our life a free life, financially free life. And that is the reason we keep scouting for these kind of things which will help us achieve this financial freedom. We are in the process of building parallel streams of income. So that is one thing which is common between us. Stay tuned. Today we are going to analyze Bank Nifty and also we are going to scout for stocks which can be a potential breakout for the next week. So here we are on a Bank Nifty chart. As you can see, this is a monthly time frame. Okay, so monthly time frame, we are happy that the price has closed above the green bar which we have expected. So you can expect the next target to be about 25710. So it can go up to this 200 period moving average, 20 period moving average, and there can be a resistance there. So that is on a monthly time frame. Let's analyze this on a weekly time frame. How is it looking? On a weekly time frame, it is sideways. 3 bars continuously at one spot, but they are holding the 20 period moving average, so which is also a good sign for us. We can see that if the market opens green on Monday, it can go up to 25519. So this will be our level. And then let's look at that from a daily perspective. On a daily perspective, the price is taking a dip at 20, dip at 20 and going up, dip at 20 and going up. Now there is also a retracement at 20. If the price closes above this 22, what is the high? 22901 on the left hand side. So 22901 will be our level. If that is crossed on one session on Monday, then you can expect the market to go up to 26,020 in the coming days. So this is about Bank Nifty. On a weekly time frame, super trend is also giving an entry. Is it giving an entry on future? 14 and 3. So we change the setting to 14 and 2. Yes, we still haven't got here, but let's analyze what are the stocks we can find for next week. So I have already done this for you. I have used a simple super trend crossover method where I've used a weekly time frame, close crossed above weekly super trend 14 and 2. So I have got a couple of stocks: IDFC, Tech Mahindra, Federal Bank, Titan, IOC. So let's see the trend here. So the trend, last week we have identified Naukri. Naukri has gone really nicely up after the super trend breakout. So your entry was here at about say 2555, and now the price is about 3165. So if we have to look, say 3170 minus 2, it was 2555. So 615 points we have got. Even if you had 100 shares, it would have been 61,000 profit for you. So this is how it works. Your trailing stop loss is about 2698 now, the super trend. So as it goes up, you have to wait till the super trend breaks and the candle closes below that, then you have to exit that trade. Now coming to IOC. IOC on a weekly time frame, it is in a downtrend. As you can see, the price is below 200 period moving average. Price is below the 20. It is taking a bounce at 20. Super trend is giving an entry, but I won't suggest this for a long-term portfolio stock because it has to clear the 200 period moving average. So we don't take this. Now looking at Titan. Titan on a weekly time frame is above 20, above 200. Super trend is giving an entry, so which is a good sign for us. We can go long on Titan now. It has given an entry, and trust me, these things will come to you on Monday on all the news channels. They must have done this analysis, but Naukri was the first thing which we have mentioned, and later after 1 or 2 days it came on the TV. So you can see even these are going to come on the TV. So Federal Bank, again price is below 20, below 200. Super trend giving an entry, so please avoid this. Simple rule, price has to be above 20, above 200, and then super trend entry. So 3 rules you have to follow. Price has to be above 200, above 20, then above super trend. That is your positive entry, and your stop loss will be trailing super trend. So Titan is one, Federal Bank we are going to avoid, and then Tech M. Tech M, price is above 200, price is above 20, price is also crossed super trend, so it is good for us to actually pick it up for a portfolio. Yes, on a monthly time frame is also the trend is bullish. So we have identified 2 stocks today. One is Titan, another is Tech M. So let's stick to these stocks, add this to your watch list, and maybe on Monday open, see these stocks for like 10-15 minutes, and then you get a proper entry. When I say proper entry, you have to wait for a pattern to form. Okay, either the price has to close above VWAP, or you can find a bottoming tail bar like this and take an entry above this high and keep the stop loss below this. So that's how you have to trade, and then end of the day you can follow the super trend as a stop loss and carry it for couple of weeks. So this is going to be in trending moment for the next coming week, so let's see how it goes. So that's it guys, that's it for this week, and do spend your time in enhancing your skills, whether it is related to your work or whether it is related to stock markets. Always try to improve your skills over the weekend. Spend at least 1 or 2 hours by learning something new or reading books, but always try to improve your skills. Don't get into the practice of wasting your time by watching or binge watching all these Netflix and apps, all this dark content which is there, which is not going to help you to enhance your career in any ways. So try to learn things which is going to improve your career. Every week you have to learn something new, step up, so that your bar raises and you become a better person every week. So that should be a target, and this is how I do, and I have been learning a lot of things. Sometimes I learn things for Excel, sometimes I learn things on presentations, sometimes I learn things on whatever passion I have, like public speaking and all that. There are a lot of things which you can do in a simple life. So you have a lot of time in your hand right now because of pandemic going up, and numbers are going up. So this is the best time you can stay at home and learn a lot of new things and enhance your skills. Otherwise, when life becomes normal, it becomes normal. You cannot make it any special out of it. So make use of this time and try to make something special out of it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.